Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha and again I am here with my new video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So today I would like to talk about 5 ways to become fluent. So first is grammar. Grammar is most essential to become fluent because when you know basic grammar, it really helps you a lot to become fluent. What? To become fluent. So second is listening. Listening is most essential part to become fluent in English because when we were child, we listened a lot like Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, whatever your language and my language is. That's why right now we are able to speak our mother tongue. So this funda we have to apply on this language also. We have to listen as much as possible. You have to listen more, and after that you will become fluent in this language. So third is speaking. Why is speaking? So when we were child, at that time what we did it? We just listen and speak like mother, father, brother, sister, chair, cloud and everything. Whatever we see, we just speak. Yeah, like whatever we listen, we just speak. Try to spoke at that time. But right now what happened? We are having fear of judging people. Fear of a lots of things, fear of doing mistakes. So please, you should speak as much as possible for you to become fluent. So fourth is reading. Why reading? Reading is most essential part to become fluent in this language because we have to read. Because reading gives you a lot of knowledge and word power to speak in a very right and good manner by become fluent and to convey your message to other person. Because if you don't know the word, like which type of word is using in which type of situation, so how you gonna speak fluent? So reading is must. So please, you should also read daily. So last in the list is writing. Why writing? Because of writing give you to discover your thoughts, your ideas and your plan to become fluent in this language and also to discover your ability. Okay? Like when you gonna write down your thoughts, so you gonna create your own way to learn this language. At that time you don't need anyone to speak with you because you are with yourself. So please, you should also follow writing. Thanks for watching. Hope this 5 ways to become fluent really help you a lot. And if you like my video, so please don't forget to share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friend, we will meet next video.